Hi guys, it's Lisa with the 5 Waiting Wombs, and this week I'm going to be talking about a method of treatment for infertility that I actually tried, and just tell you a little bit about it because a lot of people know nothing about it. So a friend of mine had told me that her sister had suffered multiple miscarriages and was trying to conceive, and that she was seeing a naturopath, and that the naturopath did a technique called pelvic manipulation. So I was like, oh, you got to give me this lady's number. I haven't had any miscarriages. Like, I'm just trying to conceive, you know, like I would totally love to try that out. So she gave me the doctor's number. It wasn't too far from my house at all. Made an appointment, went in for my first consultation, and loved the doctor. I love her. I do. She is so down to earth and so nice, and is on the same level with me with things like homeschooling and just health in general. Actually suffered infertility herself. And she actually teaches her technique to students. Her students work on her to actually pass her course to make sure that they're doing it correctly. So they worked on her, and that's how she actually got pregnant. She has actually, I think she's stage 3 or 4 endometriosis, and she got pregnant using her own technique. So I signed up and I went through 6 or 8 weeks of techniques with her, and she did pelvic manipulation on me. And her name is Dr. Jennifer Mercier. This is her. She's totally cute, and it's Women's Optimal Pelvic Health with Mercier Therapy, and that is something she came up with, and it's for fertility challenges, pelvic pain, scar tissues from C-section, traumatic childbirths, multiple surgical adhesions, sexual abuse trauma, endometriosis, or PCOS. This book is a guide for women and healthcare professionals, and it's helped a lot of women, which is what she's all about. So, background on the doctor herself. Jennifer Mercier is in private practice and founder of Mercier Therapy Professional Training. In addition, she is the president of Mercier Integrative Women's Health and Fertility Center, a multidisciplinary manual therapy clinic. Mercier sees hundreds of women annually, and most recently has celebrated 15 years in practice. She has extensive experience as a therapist, an educator, a trainer, a researcher, and a published author. She has consulted throughout the U.S. and Canada and is a member of numerous professional organizations. She is amazing. Very gentle, very soft-spoken, very funny. I just loved everything about her. She worked on me and hopefully got my uterus in tip-top shape for my upcoming IUI with injectables. She did tell me during the therapy, a lot of people do get pregnant while she's doing the therapy on them. She said that my uterus was kind of down like this, and she got it back to its regular position like this. So what she did was I would lay down on the table, and she would, my clothing, manipulate my pelvic region. And I'm not gonna lie, it did hurt. In fact, 2 days afterwards, I would have a hard time standing up, sitting down. It would feel like I did 1,000 sit-ups. I love alternative therapies. I love naturopaths. I will try anything natural before I go to anything medical, Western medicine side, just because I would rather try natural first. I did go through her whole program, and it was pretty amazing. So if anybody has any questions about her, please leave it in the comments section below, and I will answer your question. This book is available on Amazon for anybody that's interested. It's fairly thin. Like I said, I'll read you what the chapters in this are. Chapter 1 is about a conscious conception, building your solid foundation, educating yourself, choosing a care provider, soft tissue massage, and the differences between holism and allopathy. Part 2, Chapter 2 is case studies, malpositioned uterus, a uniquely shaped uterus, a post-surgical scar tissue, anxiety while trying to conceive, a lovely surprise, pelvic organ mobility, endometriosis, secondary infertility after a C-section, uterine prolapse, uterine fibroids, sexual abuse trauma, polycystic ovary syndrome, teenage girls with menstrual dysfunction, and pelvic pain. And Chapter 3 is just final words about proper diet, tips for healing on your own, and avoiding birth trauma. This is just an awesome book. I really read it in a day. If you want to be educated about any of these things and you like natural resources first, this is just amazing. I know she has many clients fly in from out of state just to work, just so that she can work on them for a weekend. she'll condense the 6 or 8 week into a whole intensive weekend of working on somebody. It's just amazing though. I really love her. When you walk into her office, her walls are covered with babies that she's delivered, and because she's also a midwife. So it's just very encouraging. It was very encouraging for me. And she's actually the doctor that I am going to be doula, her doula coming up. So I'm really excited about that. So that is about it, guys. I just wanted to educate you a little bit about pelvic manipulation, let you know it's out there, and tell you a little bit about it. If you want to know more, I'll put the link for this book below. I will also put her website below and her YouTube channel, because she has all 3 of those things. And if you're interested, you could find out further information there. But for now, that is all I have for you. I didn't want to, don't want to take up too much of your time, because this book is so short. If I start reading through it, it would be storytelling time. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much, and I will see you next week for the 5 waiting wombs. Take care. Bye.